Hello and welcome to this demonstration of SimCity Build It. I'll be using the Sunny Isles region. You can see I've already dropped in 3 little residences there, each weighting some materials. The first one needs, says you have 12 bars of iron and we need 5, so it's black. The coconuts, on the other hand, say you have 0 and we need 1, so it's in red, because I don't have what they need. This one, iron, coconuts, wood, and nails. And this one, wood, coconut, the blue plastic, and the iron. I guess you could just say metal. Ah, my coconuts are ready. So let's harvest my coconuts and get it started on creating some more. Only 6 minutes. And now you can see that all 3 houses have a green check by the little yellow hard hat indicating they have what they need to be built. So let's go ahead and drop those on. With a magical kabang and a bonus to my level. It's a message about simoleons. Let's go ahead and keep building. And it's giving me regional simoleons and a message of feedback here about it's high time the mayor built on the beach. And this guy, what is he saying? Deal with our sewage now. So here's a good example where the feedback indicates what your residents need. Typically they want sewage first, and then they'll start getting into things like we want police protection, we want fire protection, and later they'll want health. So let's get started. If we're going to deal with sewage, I think we should dump it far away. How about down here? Nobody will notice the sewage at the beach. So let's build a road. Draw a road with your finger. Okay. Let's see. Well, that's a start. Let's continue on. Alrighty. There we go. Once the dust clears, you can see our little road about as far away as we can get. And let's drop in a service. So clicking on services in the bottom right. Looks like a little temple there. Power, water, sewage, waste management, fire, regional police, health, control net, drones, parks, landscape, education, transportation, beach, entertainment, gambling, landmarks, and a mayor's pass. Well, in this case, we want sewage. So let's click on it. What do we need? A small sewage outflow has capacity of 7 houses. And the price is $4,000. The pollution radius is 10 by 10. Pretty big. What about basic? 12 by 12, but $12,000. Well, let's go ahead and drop in basic. You can see the stinky zone. It's pretty big. But is it big enough to get to our houses? No. So you can see the houses are now feeding the lines. Nice little analogy there for the sewage coming from the residences down to be dumped into the basic sewage outflow pipe. What else do we need to build? They're looking for some bottles. We do have it. It says, you have 2, we need 1, and if I do it, I'll get 7 regional simoleons. So I'll say, I'll do it. And what else? Oh, one of the houses decided it's ready to upgrade. It wants... I have 4 bars of metal, and they need 10. So I need to get some more metal, but I'm good on the coconuts. And this little blue icon here wants to show me an ad. Maybe later. Such a sunny day. Then again, Every day is beautiful. Well, let's go pick up some metal from our shops. I'll zip over to my capital city. Now, you won't be doing this when you're building your capital city, but you'll have your little shops producing your basic goods. In this case, I have the metal being produced there, some wood ready to go, and some plastic. Don't think I have quite enough metal, but I only have to wait 60 seconds. Pick up a shovel while I'm at it. Let's drop in on our other region, the Green Valley. It's got a deal for me. Wants to buy some of my shopping bags. Sure. And across the bridge, I've produced some rags here in my green factory. Recycled fabric. Production time of only 6 minutes. And one of my factories here producing glass. But glass takes a long time. It's 5 hours to produce glass. And let's get back to our capital city, see if our metal is ready. There it is. Keep my metal production going. Check on this. They want to buy some hats. I might need those hats, but I think I'll just leave that sitting there and deal with it later. Generally, I don't sell anything that is not a terminal item, because my feeling is that you make the most money on terminal items. That is, there's a branch to get to building that. You need this to build that and this to build that. But when you get to the leaf at the end of the branch, if you will, that's a terminal item. Nothing else can be built from it. And that's what I think people should sell. So I'll grab some seeds here. Looks like I'm running out of space in my storage. Well, let's go use some up here in my Sunny Island building region. And you can see right away from that tick by the hard hat that it's good to go. And oh, nice little happy faces coming up from that residence. So watch this building process. Pick up some coconuts and get the production going. Looks like everybody's happy, and another house ready to upgrade. Yes, the shopping bags and coconuts. And this one, the whole range of things, including that oil. And it's good to go. And what's this guy not looking so happy about? I'm parched. Mayor, we need some water. So where does water come from? Down here in the bottom right, you can see in the services has a little red exclamation mark. And conveniently enough, the water symbol is red. And what do we need? A basic water tower with a capacity of 9, or a water pumping station with capacity of 55. But look at the price difference. This is 45,000 simoleons. This is only 6. So for our little town, let's just drop in a little basic water tower to keep those early adopters happy. Yep, see? The little faces are happy now. And I could start some production in my tropical product store. Okay. And maybe, whoop. I guess I'll have to come back to the face cream later. I have the chemicals, but I need more oils. Okay, you get the basic idea there. So you have stores, commercial buildings, you have residences, and you have services like water, sewage. Later you could add things like police. You could add healthcare. Let's go back to the fire. Fire stations are always handy. People will move out if they don't have fire stations. I've seen my house's light on fire when I was first learning the game. Let's go ahead and drop in a fire station just as a preemptive measure. Now this does need to be close to these houses. So let's drop it in right here. Yep, all three houses are in my zone of protection there, but I'm wasting a little bit. It's going out of my region. So it might be worth it later to bring this fire station out on a service road. But for now, that'll do. And how about some police protection? Alrighty. There's your police station. And we'll go ahead and drop in a health clinic since we're feeling pretty flush. Alrighty. So we have healthcare. Sure. We have basic fire station and a basic police station. And if you hold your finger down on those, you can see what their zone of coverage is, their zone of protection. Yep. Oh, what about waste management? Won't we need to get rid of the garbage produced by our residents? Well, that would be something you'd want to dump far away. Let's check small garbage dump, capacity 15. It's a big stinky zone, but it's not going to bother anybody way over here. Unless you go to the beach. Alright, so there's your basic town. Startup town, Smallville. Got stores. Got some little factories. You have 3 houses, and this one's ready to upgrade, but I need some face cream. So that'll be on my to-do list. To build some face cream, to produce some face cream in my stores. But I have services, and everybody's happy. I took a little hit on my percentage of happiness there, but I'm sure it'll get back up to 100 soon. If you are what you eat, do I want to be a donut or a cheese Danish today? Deep philosophical questions. Work is dull, but at least I make a paycheck. Rather prosaic statement. Okay, so that's my brief demo of how to get your little town going. Keep the stinky things far away. And keep your beneficial services close to your houses. And keep your residents happy.